Good morning, class. Today to start with the entrepreneurship session of class 11, we'll discuss about advantage and disadvantage of entrepreneurship. Now, there are advantage for everything. There are advantage and disadvantage. Same goes for entrepreneurship. The first advantage, learning to see possibility everywhere. Now, entrepreneur is a person who see possibility everywhere. Yesterday only it was in news that there is a lady, there is an entrepreneur in Noida. She has started. She was running a ready-made factory. Now she has started preparing PPE kits and masks. So possibilities are there in the environment. You have to grab. So one has to rely on oneself and his imagination in order to generate income. This awareness goes with the territory. An entrepreneur has to develop the skill and train his mind to stay open and receptive to potential idea and possibility. But ideas are there in the environment. You have to grab. So entrepreneur is the one who grabs. Now defining his income. Chances are there are several factors to play, include your boss, your company's financial budget, your director, board of directors. These factors determine whether you have to stay in the job or not. So even if you are working hard and giving 110% of your uh, work to your work, your salary might not reflect it. But when you are an entrepreneur, you have to create a relationship between your effort and your income. Like there was there was a show Coffee with Karan, and in that Subhash Ghai was the guest. And Subhash Ghai, when he was interviewed, he said, if you are giving 10% to your employee, 90% to your employer, then you will be kicked out soon. If you are giving 100%, then if you're not, if your employer finds another better substitute, he will kick you out. But if you are giving 110%, then you can stay in the job. You stay at the job. So same goes for entrepreneur. If you are working and you are giving 110%, the salary may not reflect it. But if you are working in an entrepreneur, the reward is there. Next is enjoying your work. Even though as an entrepreneur, one can create his own schedule, it doesn't necessarily mean that one won't be working for long hours, but entrepreneur works. But unlike those energy draining hours spent working overtime for someone else, the fruit is ripe fruit is eaten by someone else. It's better to work for your own self and oneself and enjoy. Now, learning to be in the moment. How much of your day at work you spend counting the hours and minutes before your lunch break or end of the day? This year, when you are an employee, every person thinks about lunch break, then end of the day. But instead, one should plan for schedule one's day, set regular goals, and to achieve them. This is the quality of entrepreneur. He doesn't say for will count the minutes for the lunch break. Now, disadvantages are there. The world of entrepreneurship is going to dominate your life. Your productivity as an entrepreneur is what will direct you towards success or guarantee or your failure. Second, entrepreneurs do not have a guaranteed paycheck waiting for them. For if you're working with someone else, you have a guaranteed paycheck, but entrepreneurs do not have. One don't have to guaranteed paycheck waiting for him after every pay period. This means that one needs to stand out the invoices, find the people who don't want to pay, and the client who think one should work free because they are giving them exposure. So entrepreneurs should be keep away from these people. Now next, work schedule. The work schedule of an entrepreneur is never predictable. An emergency can come up in a matter of a second, and late hours may become the norm. Now next is administration. All the decisions of the business must be made by his own. So because he takes all the decisions, there is no one ranked higher on the chain of command in such a business, and the fear of wrong decisions have its own effect on the on entrepreneur. Then incompetent staff. Most of the time, entrepreneurs will find themselves working with incompetent staff. those who don't know how to work as also, as well as they do due to lack of experience. Thank you.